journalistic integrity and principles. And if that was, you know, a mistake that's going to land someone in trouble or get someone in hot water.
Another question I have: these adapters, what's going to be the limit on them? They're probably not like. I don't know if they're going to be able to deliver the full power that the superchargers can. Like compatible power of 750 kilowatts.
I mean, it's in their interest to engineer. So, all right, let's move on real quick because that Teams call was our boss was looking for us. And sorry about bringing in three different devices going here, laptops and phones.
What I hope comes across in the documentary from talking to these people. And
you had a call in the car on the hands-free from a bloke who was selling you a car, but your wife was in the car too. So when you
we debated Jim and Pam in Casino Night for weeks and weeks and weeks. There were multiple, drafts of it and different versions of it, and what does he say and what doesn't he say. Approaching the show, and I think that as a character just says the wrong thing and then just you can't get out of it. Pam and Michael, and it's like Pam finding out that Mike laughing the entire time, and she was like, "You're just watching." Like people were like, "What is this guy watching?"
And you do the funniest thing. You make a moan and your pelvis just goes forward as though you were popping a ghost version of Tyra Banks.
Yeah. Really. So we moved back, so I moved all of my crap and my dog and my girlfriend all at the same time, or 6 months later, back to California.
Same van?
No.
You're just going straight on. You're not going right.
That would be great, actually.
Gosh, you're doing a lot of things for this woman. I hope that she is appreciative of all the life changes you're making.
For the
one thing I didn't tell you, and it sounds crazy, is I bought an engagement.
hair growing out of your ear holes. I think it's stupid, don't it?
No, I don't. I think, well, it's
that's
for
women.
people.
When women get 75 and they got tattoos, I mean, good God.
Yeah, it's an old-fashioned stance.
Seriously, mate.
But anyway,
I think you're fine.
It's like if you're into like metal, as those people are, and they're into the carpenter,
brushed aluminium.
My friends are into metal, and like you.
I think we had different things in there, my darling.
It's a hell of a game, isn't it?
We had something different.
We also have the majestic Hartley from the AV News Daily Podcast, which, of course, is available on all the out there in California to join us today. So before we get going, I'd like to ask that you please subscribe to the show.
But I think it's going to take us to 2035 to get, to that 75, 80% mark personally. I just don't physically think we can do it any quicker.
Right.
Yeah, I have an order for a Cybertruck and a Ford F-150 Lightning. When I tell you, when I put in my order for the Cybertruck, I did.
My shoulder just for you to cry. Gave you constant.
That much. He was sort of telling them off. I wonder if it's more just he didn't know how to join in the game. But I really do believe the macaroni is a good boy.
Well, that's that for this, but we'll see you for the podcast when we're a bit less croaky and tired.
We'll see you on the other side
of
things.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Recording, testing, the recording, speaking.
That's a rip.
It's a big rip, yeah, the whole thing.
Holy cow, dude.
You don't smoke it through a glass tube, do you? You just... If one is incapable of not doing something occasionally, then you probably shouldn't.
And there's so many things in life.
I mean things that can be harmful to your body, not toys.
Oh, shit, mean sex. Is it?
I mean sex. Well, you have to give up sex because your wife enjoys.
Yes.
Jen, yes, and Mike Sherman in your contract. And I remember early on hanging with Steve and him saying, "I have to pull for nothing. This is the greatest."
And I think that's something that will probably help others. The fact that we were all.
I will. I do think it is incredibly important to. I think this is a great question. I think because there's so much information easily available, the fact that there is pornography out there, and I don't say that in a bad way.
Right. That wig is brilliant. Is that a new one?
Yeah, it's very new. Yeah. You can't get these. You don't get them like this anymore.
Are you the only one awake in your home? I guess you're at home.
Yeah, I'm at home. Yeah, I'm the only one awake. This is true. Yeah, we go to bed really late, generally about 3 or so.
What?
Wow. It's just, I don't know, it's the way we've always been for some reason. I think me being a rock guitarist type person, generally life gets like that. I've also been an astronomer for most of my life, so astronomy takes you into the night, so you get up late in the next morning, and so it goes on. So I suppose it's a lifetime habit, which it would be hard for me to break now.
And what are you doing till 3 in the morning? You're just sitting there with a bottle of wine looking at the stars?
Yeah, just doing nothing. Yeah.
I mean, that's that pride. It sounds like a cry for help. Well, listen, here's the nice news. That's Back to the Light has been remastered and reissued. It is Brian's album. So this album came out in 1992, wasn't it? Sorry, can I hear it again?
I was completely taken in by that.
I'm actually again. Yeah, thank
you. For 2021 just now, and you get it's if you're under 45,000, you get $5,000. So this is going to miss it by $500.
No,
I think
they'll
it's
change that.
$25.
Come
on, and they're
500.
headquartered in New Jersey.
But then if it's 45 to 55, you still get.
You probably use it as some ghastly sex aid. Which reminds me, Matt's Cultural Review will be coming up later in the show. We'll be doing Trevor's Sonic Enigma. Of course, me and Matt will be doing it. We like to do it more freestyle. Nothing ain't never affected our grammar or the way I talk or nothing, don't suppose. So, alright then, Amber, go and finish your French homework, but I suggest that you complete it in the blood and stag beetles. Thanks for coming on, Amber.
Thank you.
Bye, darling. Bye.